Good day, New York, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing Oliver Street. We are crossing with St. James Street, also known as Walter Jonas Judah Street. But before we leave, guys, let me show you where I am. And back there also is Oliver Street with Mariners Temple Lane. Before we leave, let me show you where I am. We're going to explore Oliver Street today. Oliver Street today. St. James Place. Now they know where I am. We start the journey now. So basically, guys, this is St. Oliver Street. It's only 2 blocks long. That's not long. Only 2 blocks long. But like I said, still part of New York City. Landscape. Coming up at Oliver Street, Henry Street. Heading southbound. On the other side, you have like a school. There's a lot of schools around here, man. And if I'm not mistaken, guys, for those of you who speak Spanish, por aquí está lo de la Virgen de Guadalupe. Por aquí está. No, es uno de estos buildings donde se encuentra. Oh, St. James Rectory. Yo sé que por aquí queda la oficina de la Virgen de Guadalupe, pero no sé si se mudaron o si todavía están aquí, pero aquí yo no sé muy bien la dirección. Ok. So, sí, no veo nada. I don't see anything. Maybe se mudaron. I don't know. Anyways. Para adelante. Moving on. Lily's Chinese and Japanese food. Oh, that looks good, man. Okay, so basically I will stop here, guys, in the corner and finish the video. But I go around back again. But we're gonna cross the street and just try to fill out the whole video as much as we can, because technically it ends here. You see the the black fence here, So now we ended up here at the Hamilton Madison Community Center. Now we go back. St. Oliver Street, Madison Street, heading north now. Check that out, guys. The big behemoth. Oliver Street, Madison Street, heading northbound. Let me show you a little bit of here. This is park. Again, I like to do park separately, guys, whenever possible. This is Oliver Street, and again, one of those buildings houses lo de la Virgen de Guadalupe. It houses, but again, I think they used to have a sign, I guess. Pero en uno de sus buildings estaba la oficina de la Virgen de Guadalupe, pero yo no sé si se mudaron o creo que tienen una sign, pero ya no veo nada. So, but it's one of these. Ese que está ahí, brown, o de las dos puertas azules. Es una de ellas. No, perdón. Dos puertas brown. Esa o esta. Y hay dos más que dicen ese y ese, azules. Porque ahí dice St. James Covenant. Me imagino que es ahí porque es St. James, es un santo. He's a saint, so I imagine that's where they house it. Anyways, we keep going on anyway. Coming up at Oliver Street, Henry Street, heading northbound. Henry Street. And again, guys, only 2 blocks. But nonetheless. We're gonna go where we picked up from. Anyways, let me pick a we're gonna go through there and around. As a matter of fact, let's go through here. Go through here. I'll finish it back there. Wow. Okay, guys, thank you. So this is the end of the video, guys. Thanks a lot. And you know what to do, and you know what to say. St. Oliver Street, St. James Place, also known as Walter Jonas Judith Street. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, blah, blah, blah. And I'll see you all somewhere in time. Bye.